Hey guys, just want to do a quick video, different setting than I normally have. Outside chilling out, enjoying a little bit of a rum and coke action. So just want to go over what transpired with Tsla and the earnings recap. They blew out expectations. Unfortunately, the stock did not react that way. We closed at, I believe it was like 738-ish, and it dropped down about 16, 17 points, down to 721. So unfortunately, looks like we're going to take it in the culo on Tsla. It doesn't look like, we still got 4 days left, and it's a heater, but I got to be honest with you guys, it's going to be a bit of a long shot to probably end up making money on Tsla for the week. Unfortunately, you can't get them all. You can't be 100% when it comes to trading. That's why I always say diversification is always the key. So we had I don't know, maybe 4 to 5 heaters for the week, 5-star trades. The video was one. Square was one. Facebook and PayPal, Boeing, and what else? Stamps was pretty much in the chop all day. Didn't fit any of our trading criteria, so that was thrown out the window. No potential there. PayPal worked out pretty good. I think we ended up getting 2 or 3 points. I actually still see some more upside in PayPal. Square was fantastic. We had a fantastic. We didn't take the trade, but it had a fantastic consolidation period in between 10:30, 11, all the way into about 2 o'clock, 2:30, and it just shot up, man. Totally missed that trade. If I saw that consolidation area, I probably would have got into it. But I was too focused, too busy on Tsla and Nvidia and Facebook, the earlier trades we took today. So Facebook looks good. On the 4-hour chart, it's kind of chopping in between the 10-15 day moving average and the 50. So we need a break of that 50 for it to push up, probably another 3 to 5 to 7 points by end of the week. It also has the same scenario on the 1-hour chart, but it's the 200-day that's resistance. So it's chopping in between the 10-15 and a 200-day moving average with the 50 underneath. So that's all signs show that Facebook's bullish. We're down about 2 points in the options, but I'm still pretty confident with potential push up on Facebook. Nvidia, fantastic trade. My entry wasn't perfect. It actually came down to the 200-day moving average on the 1. It was a nice little moving average squeeze where everything kind of stacked up perfectly. I saw that and I wasn't really worried about my entry because I knew it probably would bounce off. If I was overly aggressive, I probably would have added there, and I didn't. But it nevertheless ended up working out to be a pretty good trade, and I think we're up about 8 to 10 points on the options. I think it's, I'm not sure, I haven't checked the close. I checked the close, but I don't know what it is at the moment. But I think we're up about 8 to 10 points in the video right now. So we're looking good in the video. We're up nice. I foresee probably another 5 to 10 points. The trading range in NVIDIA is anywhere from I believe 30 to 50 points. So if we can get another 15 points, another 10 points, we'll look to book some profits, maybe take off a third and let the difference run. We'll just kind of trade whatever the chart shows us. But right now the video looks great. Still pretty confident with Facebook. Bye-bye, Tsla. We need a miracle at this point when it comes to Tsla. Unfortunately, it's going to be a flush. You're going to have to flush that one down the toilet. But if we get 2 out of 3 winners for the week, obviously we're going to be in profits, and we're going to still be looking handsome. Even if Tsla, just imagine if Nvidia ends up being a 200%, 300% winner. That should cover whatever losses that we might incur on Tsla. So right now we got one good runner, one good heater, Nvidia. Tesla's still, Facebook's still, doing its thing. It's kind of tapping in between the moving averages, waiting for that push through the resistance area. Lemonade, that was our rock star trade of the week. Last week, our entry, we only took one entry last week, was Lemonade, and we took two positions off last week, and we took a third off today when it got to 100, and we still got a runner. Kind of pulled back a little bit before the close. It got as high as 100.20, $100.20, and then it kind of pulled back, and I think closed about 98-ish. So Lemonade, I would probably put stops at 95-ish, so we can still book pretty good profits on that runner, and analyze what the market shows us on Lemonade tomorrow. So ideally, I like to see it get to 105, 107. We still got about 9 days left on these options, so obviously I want to book profits on the last quarter, but if this thing has more room to run, no reason to take off. Hate to take it off at 102 when it actually ends up going to 115, 120 by May 7th. So we don't want to liquidate it too quickly. Our profit should have been made. We should be looking at very good profits. I'm looking at very good profits in Lemonade, and all you guys should be looking at pretty good profits in Lemonade, taking off 75% of our position right now. So at this point, a runner's a runner. So keep it at stops at maybe 93, 94, and just let's see if it takes off another 10 points. So we'll see. We'll just let the charts show us what's going to transpire, and we'll make an executive decision from that point on. So recap: Tsla, whoosh, flush it, long shot at best at this point. The video looks great. I think we probably could end up making maybe 200 to 300% return on the video by week's end. Facebook, he's kind of chopping in between those moving averages right now, waiting to break resistance. So jury's still out on Facebook. And Lemonade, I just went over Lemonade, so we should know where we are with Lemonade. And Goldman, Goldman's a potential. It's kind of gradually grinding up to the all-time high at 3 and some change. I believe it's like 318, or maybe it might be a little higher. I don't have my charts in front of me, but it's getting to the all-time high. So we'll just kind of watch how it reacts when it gets to that all-time high. I'm looking to go short at that point. So let's see. We'll just kind of analyze the price action when we get to that level, and wait for a confirmation on a potential put. So Goldman might be in play.
I'm coming.
Okay. All right, you're coming. My daughter's with me. So yeah, we'll see what happens on Goldman. That's a potential play, but it hasn't hit that all-time high mark at this point. We think we still got another, I'm not sure, maybe 5 to 6 points. I might be a little bit off there. I don't have, like I said, I don't have the charts in front of me, but I know we're getting close to it. So Goldman might be a potential put in the near future, and we'll just kind of analyze it as it goes. So that's where we stand, guys. We got some good news. The earnings reports were good on Tsla, but the stock did not react to it the way I anticipated, unfortunately. So that's the way it goes sometimes. You can't be 100%. You're going to take some losers sometimes. So that's it for now. So I'll see you guys bright and early Tuesday morning, and we'll go from there. Sweetie, can you put the gate back on there so Nina doesn't get out?
He didn't get here.
Huh?
Not coming right now.
Okay, leave the Barbie there in the chair. Look, leave the gate up so Nina doesn't run out. Okay, guys, so see you bright and early tomorrow, and we'll go for there. Take care. Bye for now.